Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to your English language course. And today, in our sixth lecture, we're going to cover chapter 4 and 5. And basically, we're going to cover the three main sections that we have already, we always taken, the grammar, vocabulary, and reading. The elements of our lecture today, we're going to have a list of vocabularies. I want you to memorize them again and again and try to use them. And then we have one grammatical lesson about the present progressive tense, or what we call present continuous. Okay? And after that, we will have non-action verbs. And we will explain to you what does non-action verbs mean. شو معنى non-action verbs؟ هناخدها. أيضا how to make negative form of a present progressive. كيف نعمل negative statement in the present progressive. Also how to form a question, how to make a question with the present progressive. So mainly we have the present progressive tense class today. We have also some spelling rules. Here and comparison. We'll make a comparison between the simpler present and the present progressive. Do you remember the simpler present? We have taken that in the previous classes about the simpler present. Okay? So let us start today with the vocabulary previewing. We will start with the nouns, beverages, blood, pressure, ضغط الدم, brain, دماغ أو العقل, diseases, أمراض, junk food, unhealthy food. Junk food means unhealthy food. Stress معناها to be upset, wrinkles, or stress, to be upset and confused. And wrinkles means the lines appear in your faces when you grow up. هي تجاعدات. Dentist اللي هو the one who takes care with your teeth and with your teeth, with your tooth. Okay, tooth and teeth. Toes اللي هي أخماص أو أصابع القدمين. Age is a verb. Age is to grow up, to get older. Okay. Damage, to destroy. معناها يدمر أو يخرب, to damage a car or something like that. Exercises, to do exercises. تمارين رياضية, to solve يحل مشاكل. Okay. Adjectives we have صفات like bilingual. شو يعني bilingual? The person who speaks two languages. Like you speak Arabic and you speak English, so you are bilingual. Okay, bilingual. And chronic, when you say chronological, and chronic means like زمني. Healthy is like صحي. Mental is عقلي. Physical is مادي, جسدي. So this is the opposite of physical is mental, and the opposite of mental is physical. Okay. We have sleep deprived. When you cannot sleep or can't sleep for some reasons, this is what you call sleep deprived. Overweight, to be too fat. Okay. Here we have also a list of adverbs. ظروف, often, مرة, never, ولا مرة أو مطلقا. Okay. Sometimes, بعض الوقت. Okay, let us use them now. In these exercises, the coming exercises, you can find these vocabulary page 65 and 70. So, first of all, the word right here, the word means lines on one's skills. Lines on one's skills. It means wrinkles. Okay? So in the final exam, you may have some questions like this. The word wrinkles means lines on one's skin. Means that a person is unable to sleep. It is sleep deprived. The word that has the same meaning as sickness is disease. My friend suffers from, he has become too fat. Too fat, it means overweight. 5 means worry. When you say worry, I am worried about something. قلق means stress. The opposite meaning of sick معناها مريض is healthy معناها صحي. Okay, let's move now. Now, okay, the phrase get older means to get older. It means to be age. To age means not even once, ولا مرة. It means never. The word that had the same meaning as the drinks of all kinds is beverages. And the unhealthy thing to eat means junk food. Means find an answer. To find an answer, يجد إجابة, means to solve a problem. The opposite meaning of physical is mental. So I want you to do all of these. I did it just as fast as I can, just to save some time to explain the present progressive, okay? So I want you to memorize them, to understand the meaning of these words and how to use them, okay? I'm not asking you to know the translations of these words. أنا ما بسألك إنك تعرف ترجمة هذه الكلمات في العربية، لكن بسألك إنك تفهم استخدامهم في الجمل، في العبارات. Okay? Let's go. The present progressive, you can find it in page 92. This tense is used to describe an action that is occurring right now, at this moment, today, this year, etc. The action has begun and is still in progress. Okay? So this is the use of progressive, present progressive. تستخدمه لتعبر عن شيء يحدث الآن في هذه اللحظة, right now. Okay? لاحظوا الآن. So you're talking about someone right here, it's just now. Okay? So you're talking about something is happening until now, is going to happen as well. Okay? So she's typing a paper for her class. لاحظوا الشكل البريزنت بروجريسيف، شكل الفعل بنضيف له ing ولازم يكون قبليه verb to be. She is, he is, it is, okay? They are, we are, you are, I am. So she's typing, I am typing, you are typing, we are typing a paper for our class. Another sentence. He can talk. He's fixing this sink right now. لاحظوا, right now is also one of the indicators for the present progressive. واحدة من المؤشرات لأنه نستخدم الجملة present progressive. The present progressive can also be used to describe an action that is occurring in the present but is temporary. Temporary means مؤقت. Like Joan is driving in Mauricio, but he might move soon. Joan is living in Mauricio, but he might move soon. لاحظوا الآن. He's living now in Mauricio, but he might move soon. ممكن إنه يرحل قريبا. So we use the present progressive to describe an action that is occurring. Occurring means happening now in the present, but it's going to be changed soon. Okay? Okay, so we understand basically what does present progressive mean. It means to describe an action that is happening right now. Okay? And it might be used to describe an action happening right now and which is temporary. Okay? So is that clear? It's very easy, right? And try to remember the shape of the present progressive verb. You should add ing to the verb. And the verb should be preceded مسبوق ب verb to be اللي هي is والare والam وبعدها بيجي الverb ing. لكن we have some verbs they don't take ing. في بعض الأفعال ما بتاخذ في شكل ing على الإطلاق، ما بتاخذ. إذن بعض الأفعال verbs they don't take ing. Okay, such verbs we call them non-action verbs. Non-action verbs. مثل ايه؟ dislike. ما بقدر احكي I am disliking معنى يكره. I hate, I am hating, this is wrong. Or I am liking, I am loving right now, I am needing, I am wanting. So you can't add ing to the non-action verbs. You can't. لا تستطيع أن تضيف ing لهذه الأفعال non-action verbs. أيضا هناك مثل hear, see, smell and taste. والحواس أيضا الموجودة. To hear معنى I am hearing you. You should say I hear you. لازم تحكي I hear you. I see you. I smell something good. I taste the food. بس ما بحكي I'm tasting the food. So we can't add ing to all these non-action verbs and these since verbs. Also we have believe, know, think and understand. You can't also add ing. Okay? So when you say I think, it's something different when you say what you're doing. I'm thinking. I'm thinking معناه يتفكر. لكن إذا كان معنى think معنى يعتقد believe, you can't add ing. إذا أردت أن تبدي رأيك استخدام think ما بنستخدم ing مع think. I think you are right. لكن إذا كان القصد هو إنه عملية التفكير, the process of thinking, you can use ing. What are you doing? I am thinking. What are you doing? I am thinking. Okay? Understand. The same thing. We can't say I am understanding. Here we have some examples right here. I hear you now clearly. I hear you now clearly. They understand the lesson now. They understand the lesson now. Be careful. We smell dangerous chemical gas. Okay? So, as you can see, here, understand the smell. These are non-action verbs, which means they don't take ing form. Is that clear? Hope so. Okay, so here we form the present continuous tense with the present tense of be and verb ending in ing. إذن هو present tense be. present tense be اللي هي مثل is هذه هي. The present tense اللي هي I am, are, is and are هذه بنسميها present tense be. Okay? Right here. So these are the present tense of be. We say I am cleaning up. لاحظوا شكل الفعل. أول شيء جاء verb to be, من ثم شكل الفعل جاء في أضفنا ing. So I am cleaning up. You are cleaning up. He, she, it is cleaning up. You, we, they are cleaning up. Okay? لاحظوا الآن حتى اليو المفردة, هذه يو المفرد أنت تستخدم معها R. Okay? إذن هذه في الجمل الأفيرماتيف. شو يعني affirmative؟ اللي هي الجمل ما فيها نفي. Okay, positive. Okay, let us clean it now. Let us move to the other square right here. You can find it on page 99. Here, how to make a negative statement with the present progressive. You should add not. لكن not لازم تيجي بين مين ومين؟ بين verb to be, present verb to be اللي هي are, is, are, I am. هذه بنسميها present verb to be. واللي هي بنضيف ing للفعل not تيجي ما بينهم، فما بقدر أحكي I am cleaning أو I am cleaning not. This is wrong. You should say I am not cleaning up. You are not cleaning up. Not, okay? So this is how to make a negative statement in the present progressive. Right here it's talking about the third square. It talks about how to form a question, how to make a question with the present progressive. First of all, you need to invert. You know what does invert mean? Invert هذا الفعل عفوا it's invert again invert أيضا النون منها inversion معناها تقلب إقلاب تقلب شيء مكان شيء تضع شيء مكان شيء. So we invert verb to be with the subject. يعني لو اطلعنا على هذه الجمل الموجودة هنا مثلا في affirmative من نعمل سؤال simply you should move verb to be before. هكذا يعمل السؤال فبصير هنا كالتالي am I cleaning up? You should add also the question mark. Are you cleaning up? Is he or she cleaning up? Are we, you, they cleaning up? So you should invert the subject with the verb to be, or vice versa, أو العكس, verb to be with the subject. This is how you can make a question with present progressive, with the present progressive. That's cool. So here's kind of a table shows how we form the ing form of a verb. Okay, most verbs like ing, like they take the ing, like this example, walk. You should add ing, it becomes walking. لما تضيف ing بتصبح walking. لكن في بعض الكلمات بتنتهي في إي مثل come انتهت في إي فما بقدر أحكي coming like this هذه خطأ لازم تكون نحذف الإي ونضيف ing. Okay, for example verbs ending in ie في بعض الأفعال تنتهي في ie مثل كلمة lie. في هذه الحالة إذا أردت أن تضيف ing يجب أن تحذف ie وتضيف الهواي من ثم ing فشو بتصبح lying. Okay, for example pie هذه انتهت في ie شو لازم نعمل تصبح pieing. Okay, is that clear? With the last one right here, short verbs ending in a vowel and a consonant. إذا انتهت كلمة بحرف جر واحد وحرف ساكن واحد حروف عفوا ليست حرف جر حرف العلة حروف العلة مثل A, E, O, U and I. إذا انتهت الكلمة بحرف علة يلحق حرف ساكن consonant اللي هو حرف الساكن أي الحروف اللغة الإنجليزية كلها ساكنة ما عدا حروف العلة الموجودة هنا. شو بنعمل؟ we double the consonant plus ing مثل run تصبح running. لاحظوا إنه الآن ضاعفناها أصبحت ثنتين وأضفنا ing. سبب إنه أضفنا two ends because here the word ends with a vowel followed by a consonant. Okay? Okay. So these are some spelling rules for the present progressives. هذه بعض القواعد الإملائية والتهجئة لل present progressive. أوكي، فأرجو أنكم تنتبهوا لهذه المسائل. Now let us try these ones. For example, drive should become driving, hope, hoping, smile, smiling, dance, dancing, joke, joking, shake, shaking, choose, choosing, come, coming. As you can see, مثل ما أنتم شايفين, all of these words ends with E, right? تنتهي في ماذا؟ في E. So what we have done right here, we have deleted all the E's. We delete them, okay? Then we add ing to all of them, okay? So here is finally kind of comparison between the simple present and the present progressive. Let us make this comparison. If you read these statements, like here, I sit in the class every day. This one is a present continuous. Often, it's a simple present. Why? Is there an indicator? Yes, the indicator is every day. Every day بدل على simple present. لاحظوا شكل الفعل base form، شكل أساسي ما عليه أي إضافة. لكن في الجملة الثانية شو بحكي بي؟ I am sitting in a class right now. Right now تدل على present progressive. لاحظوا شكل الفعل I am sitting. لاحظوا double T. لماذا؟ لأنه هي الأصل بالكلمة sit. وحكينا إذا أضفنا ال ing للست لازم يكون double T. لماذا double T؟ لأنه كلمة تنتهي بحرف علة يلحقها حرف ساكن. we should double the consonants. Okay. See, for example, the teacher writes on the board every day. The teacher every day. Every day بدل على simple present. Okay? The teacher is writing on the board right now. So the simple present expresses, as you can see, habits happening or usual activities, usual habits, daily customs. Okay, as in A and C and A. The present progressive expresses actions that happening right now while the speaker is speaking. Okay, and as you can see it in B, D, and somewhere in F, I guess. So we have also here kind of examples. When you make a question, do you remember how to make a question with a simple present? You should add verb to do. Why? Because the simple present does not have auxiliary verb. أي جملة ما فيها فعل مساعد مثل verb to be لازم نضيف لما نعمل سؤال verb to do. هذا بنسميها do support. Okay, verb to do إله شكلين do و does. هذا في المضارع. في الماضي did. does هي للفاعل المفرد و do للفاعل الجمع. So, do you sit in the class every day? Are you sitting in the class right now? Does the teacher write on the board every day? Does. لماذا does؟ لأنه teacher الفاعل مفرد. ليه do؟ لأنه يو تعامل معاملة الجمع. واضحة المسألة؟ لاحظوا أيضا الشكل هنا لما عملنا does هنا كانت الجملة the teacher writes on the board every day. لاحظوا الفعل هنا في S. لكن لما عملنا سؤال انتقلت الS ل does write أصبحت base form ما فيها S. Okay. Is the teacher writing on the board right now? So the simple present uses do and does as helping verbs in questions. The present progressive use am, is, are in questions. In the negative as well, for simple present we should use don't or does, don't or doesn't. Okay, بينما في the progressive we say I'm not, is not, are not. So hopefully that kind of comparison was clear between the simple present and the present progressive. So here in this actually kind of a diagram, or maybe kind of picture, it shows us some activities right here. You need to use the present progressive with that. For example, Sam and Nancy, it's in picture 1, they are swimming in the sea. Right here, they are swimming in the sea. Sam and Nancy are swimming. Okay, if you go to number 2, right here, Peter, Tony, and Michael. Peter, Tony, and Michael are playing. They are playing. Okay? They are playing. Okay, if you go, for example, to 3. Where is the 3? We can't find it. Okay. It's right here. Stephanie and Joey. They are... Stephanie and Joey are building. Okay? So, if you look, for example, at 4. Ricky... Okay, I guess it's 4 right here. Yeah. 4 is... So it is, he is reading. Ricky is reading. If you look at, for example, where's number 5? Right here. She is listening. Okay? So you can do the rest of these just to... it's kind of activities or exercise to remind you of the shape and the rules of a present progressive. Okay, so I need you here to pay attention to non-verbs, to non-action verbs. Okay, use the words in parentheses اللي بين قوسين to complete the sentences. Use the simple present or the present progressive. Okay, أول واحدة معمولة هنا. Alice is in her room right now. She is reading a book. She likes the book. ليه ما حكى she is liking the book؟ لأنه likes هي non-action verb. When non-action verb does not take ing. Is that clear? Cool. Okay. It's snow right now. It is snowing right now. It's a beautiful, okay? It's a beautiful. I like the weather. Number 3. I know Jessica Jones. She's in my class. شو لازم أحكي؟ I know. ما عليها. ما بقدر أحكي I am knowing. لأنه know هي non-action verb. With the non-action verbs you can't use the ing. Number 4. The teacher is talking. لاحظوا. The teacher is talking. لماذا is؟ لأن teacher هي مفردة. is talking to us right now في هذه اللحظة. فلاحظوا الآن right now is one of the present progressive indicators. واحدة من مؤشرات the present indicators. I understand everything she is saying. I understand. ما حكيت I am understanding لأنه خطأ هيك بصير. ليه؟ لأنه understand هي non-action verb. Non-action verb. non-action verbs. فلذلك وظيفتكم الآن تعرفوا non-action verbs الموجودة عندكم. Okay? Okay, right here we have some questions about the simple present and the present progressive. I will do like 2 or 3 and I will leave the rest for you. The men in the building now. The men are working. The men are working. ليه ما حكينا لازم تكون are working لأنه في عنا verb to be و present progressive بتكون من حركتين من شغلتين. verb to be present, verb to be, and working اللي هو verb ing. من هي جمع man. هذا جمع الشواذ. Waiting me at the moment near the pharmacy. Where is he waiting? Where is he waiting? حكينا هي الجملة كانت في البداية he is waiting me at the moment. هذه في الأصل. لكن لما نعمل سؤال we should invert verb to be with the subject. Okay? At the moment نفس معنى now. Okay? The boys football now are playing أو aren't playing. لما حكينا is playing لأنه البويز جمع والإز لازم يكون فلذلك لازم تأخذ are لأنه الإز هي للفاعل المفرد. I guess you should do the rest of these sample questions by yourself. Please, if you have any questions regarding the present progressive, just email me. I have started using the email. Okay? ابعثوا إيميلات للأشياء اللي ما بتفهموها أو استصعبت عليكم. أيضا كتاب مرجع مهم لكم. So hopefully that you have understood the major points of this class. Thank you so much. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.